Managing a fleet comes with enough pressure. Sourcing new equipment shouldn't add to it. But for too many businesses, acquiring a new truck or trailer turns into a time-consuming job that drags and pulls attention away from where it's needed. At Kel-Berg, we do things differently. Our process is fast, straightforward, and designed to keep the team moving, not buried in paperwork, stuck chasing updates, or waiting on return calls. Whether you need grab loaders, tipping trailers, concrete mixers, or vacuum tankers, we make the acquisition process easy. You won't be chasing sales teams and third parties or dealing with drawn-out timelines. We've invested in the tools to move fast, from robotic welders and hydraulic presses to laser and plasma cutters, so we can build high-spec equipment in-house to meet the real-world demands of your industry. Stock is kept ready to go and everything is handled under one roof, from production to finance to handovers. So instead of your next truck turning into another thing on your to-do list, it's a job you can tick off fast. Start by telling us what you need. A clear spec or a rough idea, it doesn't matter. We'll guide you through your options and get things moving quickly. Once we understand the job, our team gets to work. You'll be dealing with people who have worked together for years, a tight-knit crew with deep industry knowledge and hands-on experience. That means faster answers, practical advice, and a smoother process from day one. All our vehicles are built with practical use in mind, from the quality of the material to the layout of the bodywork. And if you need extras like cameras, weighing systems, or toolbox storage, we'll get that sorted too. Everything is handled in-house. That means fewer phone calls, quicker decisions, and one point of contact all the way through. Finance? Simple. Our in-house team helps structure a plan that works for your business. And before anything leaves the yard, it goes through a full pre-delivery inspection, so when you come to collect it, it's ready to go. You'll get a full handover from our sales team, and we'll make sure all the relevant documents, certificates, manuals, and paperwork are all supplied and in order. The biggest benefit? Time saved. You're not chasing suppliers or managing multiple conversations. You're not stuck in a queue waiting for something to be built. And you're not wondering what's happening next. We keep you informed and we keep things moving. Kel-Berg isn't just about tough, fit-for-purpose gear. It's about removing friction from the acquisition process so you can focus on running and growing your business, not sourcing trucks and trailers. And while we make this process as easy as possible, we don't cut corners on value. Our in-house approach means we keep costs competitive too. So you're getting quality equipment without overpaying for convenience. Need a new truck, trailer or grab loader, but don't want the stress that usually comes with it? Give us a call or visit the website to see what's in stock and how quickly we can supply it.